So this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC and date 15 1 2021 date 15/1/2021. So today we are going to study lesson 5th, reproduction in animals. Lesson 5th, reproduction in animals. Reproduction in animals. So you have to see page number 20. Page number 20. Reproduction in animals revision. Revision. In this lesson, lesson 5th, reproduction in animals. So we have studied in case of the reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which organism produces the offsprings. It is essential for continuing life cycle on the earth. Animals reproduce in two ways. One is by laying eggs and other is by giving birth to young ones. The reproduction in animals are of two types. One is by laying eggs and by giving birth to young ones. So animals that lay eggs. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. Birds, amphibians, insects and most reptiles or aquatic animals lay eggs. Eggs are laid in secure place under ideal conditions. Eggs hatch out into young ones. Structure of an egg. We have studied structure of eggs. An egg consists of a hard outer shell. It protects egg. The white jelly called albumin covers the yolk. Albumin contains a large amount of protein. The yellow part in the middle is called yolk, which is rich in fat, vitamins and minerals. The yolk contains the embryo. Albumin protects the embryo and gives water to it. The embryo develops into a baby or chick. About the birds, all birds are egg-laying. Most lay them in nests. The female birds sit on the eggs. You have seen the birds sitting on the eggs, but they provide optimum temperature to the eggs. This process is called as the hatching. This process is incubation. The providing heat to the egg by the bird is called incubation. Incubation provides optimum heat by which embryo develops into young ones. After some time, the egg hatch and the baby bird comes out. The different stages of development from the embryo to a mature adult is called as the life cycle. A baby bird is called a chick. Parent birds feed and look after the chicks until they can fly and look after themselves. Next one, after birds, the amphibians. You are familiar to the amphibians like frog, toads. These are the amphibians. Frogs and toads are among some amphibians. A female frog lays hundreds of eggs at a time in a lake or pond. Tadpoles come out of the egg after hatching. They move like they move like fish in water. Legs are developed after a few weeks. Their tails are lost. When tadpoles start growing, they are developed into an adult frog with due course of the time. This process of transformation from an immature form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Now about the insects also, egg-layings. Insects like cockroaches and grasshoppers have only 3 stages of development. Number 1, egg stage, larva stage and the adult stage. The larva of the cockroach is known as nymph. After molding, many times it changes into an adult. Insects like butterflies and houseflies lay eggs which have the 4 stages of development: egg, larva, pupa and adult. And some animals which are giving birth to young ones, these includes mammals. We will study this. Now worksheet 5th, I think you have learned the worksheet. So first fill in the blanks. Animals such as what we read there: birds, amphibians and insects lay eggs. So first one is the fill in the blanks. What you have to fill? That is revision. And revision the worksheet 5th. Worksheet 5th. And here the first fill in the blanks. In the blanks, animals such as birds, amphibians and insects lay eggs. So what you have to fill? Birds, amphibians and insects. So first you have to fill birds, amphibians and insects. Birds, amphibians and insects. Now second, give birth to young ones. Mammals. Second one, mammals give birth to young ones. And third, second one, mammals. Mammals give birth to young ones. And third, albumin protects the embryo and gives water to it. So what you have to fit? Albumin. Albumin. And fourth, the larva of the cockroach is known as nymph. 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 And fifth, the tailed aquatic larva of frog is known as tadpole. Is known as tadpole. Is known as tadpole. Is known as tadpole. So now next. So first, animals such as birds, amphibians and insects lay eggs. Second, mammals give birth to young ones. And third, albumin protects the embryo and gives water to it. And fourth, the larva of the cockroach is known as nymph. And fifth, the tailed aquatic larva of a frog is known as tadpole. Now take the right answer. Second, take the right answer. B. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first, the embryo in the egg develops into three options are there: chick, yolk and the pupa. So here chick is the correct option. So first, chick. And second, albumin contains a large amount of vitamins, protein and fat. So here protein. Protein is correct option. And third, the process of shedding the old skin is called, the options are there: life cycle, hatching and molting. So molting will be correct option. Fourth, in a cockroach life cycle, there are how many stages? 2 stages, 3 stages and 4 stages. So in the life cycle, in a cockroach life cycle, there are 3 stages. So fourth, 3 stages. And fifth, the larva of a housefly is called. The larva of a housefly is called. 3 options are there: maggot, pupa and nymph. So maggot is the correct option. So Next one, C. Right? T for true and F for false. Now you see the C, T, F. Now C, true and false. Number one. Mammals look after their grandchildren also. Mammals look after their grandchildren also. Yes, it is correct. Mammals look after their grandchildren also. The first is true. And second, the larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Yes, it is correct. It is also true. And third, the tadpoles are similar to their adults. The tadpoles are similar to their adults. No, it is incorrect. Tadpoles are aquatic, while adults can live in water as well as on the land. Tadpole have tail, but adults do not have the tails. Tadpoles breathe with the gills, but adults breathe with their lungs. So tadpoles do not have the legs, but adults have legs by which they can move. In later stage, tadpole develop the legs, but initially they do not have the legs. So these are different. So the tadpoles are similar to the adult. No, it is incorrect. It is false. And fourth, the yellow part in the middle of the egg is called yolk. The yellow part in the middle of the egg is called yolk. Yes, it is true. And fifth, all mammals reproduce in the same way. All animals reproduce in the same way. No, they do not reproduce in the same way. Some are the egg-laying while some producing the young ones. So different ways of the reproduction in the different animals. So this is incorrect. So in this way, next time we will see the answer to the following question. Thank you. That's for today.